Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're here 5 days a week. We're here 10 hours a day. We're here 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, a great weekend, folks. The TGIF. A believer is an optimist who thinks of tomorrow. Duke Ellington. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 117. You get the Nasdaq up 20. S&Ps are up 9. Gold contract down $11.80, traded at $1,253 an ounce. Silver down 20 cents at $15.82 an ounce. Platinum down $14 at $9.70 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.28 a pound. Light sweet crude off 76 cents, $39.45 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year up 8 ticks. 129.11, 30 up 10 ticks, 161.01. King dollar up 314 ticks at 95.11. The euro is down 53 at 112, and the yen is trading at 111.61. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Market is making its way up for that ABC structure. If we take a look at the cash S&P, folks, the number on the cash S&P is 2,087. Right now, you're at 2,047. Bottom line, I expect what you're going to see. It's going to crawl all the way up here next week. And what you have next week is it's going to get kind of intriguing, actually, because you have Good Friday. The market's closed on Friday. And guess what? You're coming into window dressing. So it looks to me like this is going to be crawling all the way up right into next week, and maybe flip the switch right after Easter. You know, so we'll see where this shakes out. We have, if we go to the SPY, we take a look at the SPY out here. What you'll have is that the SPY's done 91 million shares. This is quad witching. The first option expiration came at the open today. You're going to have 3 of them at the close. Bottom line is that you already have volume in the marketplace out here. And this is where this is going to get really intriguing. And the reason being is that on the NYSE right now, we are at, I think we're already at $1 billion. You're at 973 million right now in the NYSE. And when you take a look at the NASDAQ is at 1.5 billion. So you're going to have volume in the marketplace, you know, which, you know, is really going to put a spin on this thing. Why? Because if we take a look at the S&P, well, you're going to be actually running into where you needed volume from December 31st. Right now, the SPY is trading at 204. And bottom line is that where it broke down from, you know, was this 204, 205 level. So it's going to be intriguing to see how much juice can get put into it right at this particular level. We go take a look at the gold contract. What you have with gold. Gold right now is down $11.20. You're down 147,000 contracts. Bottom line, you know, gold wants higher price. You know, it's been consolidating out here since the first expansion up on February 11th. You know, each and every time it moves higher, you have volume behind the move, backs down with lighter volume. What I expect you're going to see out here is that actually if we put up the GLD and I put the volume characteristic beside it, and we'll put this on a weekly, you'll see what you have happening here. So the GLD is trading at 119, and it's possible, and this is really wild because a lot of the gold equities and silver equities are set up like this. It's possible that you got another ABC structure lining up going topside. So watch what we did this week in the GLD. We went from a price point of $121 to $117. You did 58 million. 58 million, and you're going to close at the higher end of this range. So you can say that you rejected lower price. You had lighter volume as to what we were coming into. Thus far, we've done 58 million. You're coming into 62 million. You're coming into 69 million, and you're coming into 125 million. So it's really going to be wild if that is the type of retracement you get, meaning that that's it, and you're going to go after the B point of an additional ABC structure on the way up. We'll find out soon enough, that's for sure. Silver. What do we have with the silver market? Silver finally caught a bid. If we go look at the SLV, which trades You know, that's the ETF for silver. Just put the volume right underneath it for you. Right now we're at 1501, and what you have here is that last time we were up at this level, you did 54 million shares. That was the week of February 12th. We've already done, well, we've done 54 million. So that's pretty cool. You're going into that level. You're going into that level with volume. That's the probability is that the SLV wants to trade up to the $17.60 mark. Now, what that does with silver, folks, is pretty amazing, because that would bring silver, if we take a look at this silver market, that would bring silver up to the $18 mark. That would be one monster move, folks, okay? Monster move. Yeah, $18.50. It'd be bringing it up to the January 21st of 2015 swing area. So big number. We go over to the bond market. We take a look at the notes first. What we have with the notes, the 10-year note right now is up 8 ticks. We'll see how it closes out the end of the day, because it's really near the high of its range right now. And what we have is this. The notes yesterday got to a price point of 129.17. We closed... There we go. Okay, we did contract volume of 1.2 million contracts. Now you're going into 1.6, and your failure of the failure would be 129.12, because 129.12 is where we broke down from. So this is what we did. Yesterday, you go up with 1.2 million contracts. We get to 129.17. You close at 129.03. Today, we get to 129.15, and we'll see where we close. Right now, we're at 129.11. It would have to close under 129.12 in order to be a failure. The volume's going to fail. We're only down 873,000 contracts, which is anemic. So we'll see what they do with that as we come into the close today. We go over and take a look at the oil contract. What we have with oil is this. Oil ran to a price point today of 41.20. We 80 CCJ, hold on 1 second. I believe we're switching to the next contract. That's not enough contract volume. Let's see, oil, where is she? There it is. Yeah, we got plenty of volume now. Okay, so oil ran to a price point of 42.49 today. Has the juice behind the move. Gave it up on price. Oil's on its way up to this $44 level. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.